in one of the paths.
Well, it's Friday about noon. A little, you know, the weekend before Christmas. Here's Rudy roaming around in the snow. Here comes Bailey. I don't know what they're up to, but, you know, they're up to it. It's, let's see. Let's make sure that you know. Can you see that? No, you can't. The light's not right. Maybe if I get close enough. Yeah. 20 degrees out here. So, and here's old Holly in her sweatshirt and her sweatpants and her socks standing out here. Okay, there go the bums, all three bums out there making paths in the snow. I don't know where you're going, Rudy. There we go. They're gonna go find out, I guess, where Rudy's going. Anyway, so this goes on off and on every day. Well, while there's snow, until they get too cold or too tired. Here comes Chip, and then they're back into the fireplace. So, except for being a little cold, it's a really pretty day here today. Here's a view of the sky, some of the tall trees around. Sawhorse with a little snow on it. So Scott, you're going to be here, well, Buckley in a few days, so bundle up. Bring some layers.